Good morning to you all. Today I wish to discuss curated list of 200 MCQ for CTET 2024 exams covering all major topics such as child development and pedagogy, language, mathematics and environmental studies and social science. These questions are important for CTET examination. However, these questions may be uh, important to the point of view of the preparation of CTET examination. You may be able to solve other questions based upon these questions. Hence, please practice these questions for your further examinations. Question number 1. Which theory emphasizes the importance of social interaction in learning? Which theory emphasizes the importance of social interaction in learning? Option Piaget cognitive theory, B. Kohlberg's moral development, C. Vygotsky social constructivism, D. Skinner's operant conditioning. The option C is correct. Vygotsky social constructivism. Question C part is correct. Question number 2. What does the term schema refers to in Piaget theory? What does the term schema refers to in Piaget theory? Option A is a stage of development, B. A mental framework for understanding the world, C. Social interaction tool, D. Language acquisition devices. The correct answer is B. A mental framework for understanding the world. B is correct option. Question number 3. In the context of inclusive education, what does the term UDL stands for? In the context of inclusive education, what does the term UDL stands for? Option A. Universal Design for Learning. Option B. Universal Development of Language. Option C. Unified Design for Learning. Option D. Unique Development for Learners. Option A is correct. UDL means Universal Design for Learning. Question number 4. Who proposed the hierarchy of needs theory? Who proposed the hierarchy of needs theory? Option A. Jean Piaget. Option B. Abraham Maslow. Option C. Lev Vygotsky. Option D. Erik Erikson. The correct answer is Abraham Maslow. Abraham Maslow proposed the hierarchy of needs theory. Question number 5. Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Option A. Studying to get a good grade. Option B. Reading a book for enjoyment. Option C. Working to earn a reward. Option D. Completing homework to avoid punishment. The option B is correct. Reading a book for enjoyment. Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? B is the correct option. Reading a book for enjoyment. Question number 6. Which approach focus on learning language through situations rather than rules? Which approach focus on learning language through situations rather than rules? Option A. Structural approach. Option B. Communicative approach. Option C. Grammar translation method. Option D. Bilingual method. The correct answer is B. Communicative approach. Option B is correct. Question number 7. What does critical period hypothesis relate to in language acquisition? What does critical period hypothesis relate to in language acquisition? Option A. Importance of early childhood. Option B. Time frame for mastering first language. Option C. Language translational technique. Option D. Language dominance theory. The option B is correct. Time frame for mastering first language. Option B is correct. Question number 8. A teacher encourages students to guess the meaning of a word by using contest. What skill is being developed? A teacher encourages students to guess the meaning of a word by using contest. What skill is being developed? Option A, grammar understanding. Option B, vocabulary skill. Option C, predictive skill. Option D, analytical thinking. The correct answer is C, predictive skill. Question number 9. What is the primary objective of language teaching? What is the primary objective of language teaching? Option A, learning grammar rules. Option B, acquiring communication skill. Option C, memorize vocabulary. Option D, developing literary appreciation. Option B is correct, acquiring communication skill. Question number 10. What is the best strategy for improving reading comprehension in primary students? What is the best strategy for improving reading comprehension in primary students? Option A, asking them to memorize passages. Option B, encouraging silent reading. Option C, teaching summarization and questioning. Option D, focusing on the phonetic only. The correct answer is teaching summarization and questioning. Now question number 11. What is the main focus of teaching mathematics at primary level? Option A, memorization of formula. Option B, problem solving and reasoning. Option C, mastering abstract concept. Option D, preparing for competitive exams. The correct option is B, problem solving and reasoning. What is the main focus of teaching mathematics at primary level? It is the problem solving and reasoning. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of concrete material used in mathematics teaching? Which of the following is an example of a concrete material used in mathematical teaching? Option A, flashcard. Option B, abacus. Option C, worksheet. Option D, PowerPoint presentation. The correct answer is B, abacus. Which of the following is an example of concrete material used in mathematics teaching? It is abacus. Question number 13. What does the term manipulatives in mathematics refers to? What does the term manipulatives in mathematics refers to? Option A, interactive digital tool. Option B, object used for hands-on learning. Option C, worksheet for problem solving. Option D, geometrical instrument. The correct answer is B, object used for hands-on learning. Question number 14. Which method is most effective in teaching geometry to class 5th student? Which method is most effective in teaching geometry to class 5th student? Option A, lecture method. Option B, deductive method. Option C, activity based learning. Option C, problem solving method. The correct answer is C, activity based learning. Question number 15. What is the value of 225 divided by square root of 225? Option A 12. Option B 13. Option C 14. Option D 15. The correct answer is D, 15. Question number 16. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Option A, coal. Option B, petroleum. Option C, solar energy. Option D, natural gas. The correct answer is C, solar energy. Question number 17. What is the main purpose of EVS education in primary school? What is the main purpose of EVS education in primary school? Option A, preparing for examination. Option B, developing environmental awareness. Option C, memorizing environmental facts. Option D, learning complex scientific concepts. The correct answer is B, developing environmental awareness. Question number 18. Which organ in human body is responsible for pumping blood? Which organ in human body is responsible for pumping blood? Option A, brain. Option B, heart. Option C, lungs. Option D, liver. The correct answer is B, heart. Question number 19. What is the primary source of energy for life on earth? What is the primary source of energy for life on earth? Option A, wind. Option B, water. Option C, sun. Option D, fossil fuels. The correct answer is C, sun. Sun is the primary source of energy for life on earth. Question number 20. In which habitat would you find a cactus plant? In which habitat would you find a cactus plant? Option A, rainforest. Option B, desert. Option C, grassland. Option D, wetland. The correct answer is B, desert. Question number 21. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Sardar Patel. The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 22. What is the main function of legislative branch in a democracy? What is the main function of a legislative branch in democracy? Option A, enforce law. Option B, interpret law. Option C, make laws. Option D, punish offenders. The correct answer is C, make laws. The main function of legislative branch in democracy is to make laws. Question number 23. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Option A, Ganga. Option B, Kosi. Option C, Yamuna. Option D, Brahmaputra. The correct answer is B, Kosi. Kosi is the river which is known as the sorrow of Bihar. Question number 24. Which of the following movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi? Which of the following movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, Quit India movement. Option B, Swadeshi movement. Option D, Home Rule movement. Option D, Partition of Bengal. The correct answer is Quit India movement. Question number 25. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of India? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Delhi. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Bengaluru. The correct answer is B, Delhi. Question number 26. What does scaffolding refers in the Vygotsky theory? What does the scaffolding refers to in Vygotsky theory? Option A, providing reward for learning. Option B, structured support for learning. Option C, repetition for content for mastery. Option D, independent learning without support. The correct answer is B, structured support for learning. Vygotsky theory refers to structured support for learning. Question number 27. Which stage of Piaget cognitive development involves abstract thinking? Which state of Piaget cognitive development involves abstract thinking? Option A, sensory motor. Option B, pre-operational. Option C, concrete operational. Option D, formal operational. The correct answer is formal operational. That is D is correct. Question number 28. According to erection, which conflict is faced during adolescence? According to erection, which conflict is faced during adolescence? Option A, initiative versus guilt. Option B, identity versus role confusion. Option C, intimacy versus isolation. Option D, trust versus mistrust. The correct answer is B, identity versus role confusion. According to erection, which conflict is faced during adolescence? It is identity versus rule confusion. Question number 29. What is the term constructivism imply in education? What is the term constructivism imply in education? Option A, passive learning. Option B, teacher centric learning. Option C, knowledge constructed by learners. Option D, memorization of content. The correct answer is knowledge constructed by learners. Question number 30. Which theorist introduced the concept of multiple intelligences? Which theorist introduced the concept of multiple intelligences? Option A, Howard Gardner. Option B, Noam Chomsky. Option C, John Dewey. Option D, B.F. Skinner. The correct answer is Howard Gardner. Question number 31. What is the main focus of direct method of language teaching? What is the main focus of direct method of language teaching? Option A, grammar drill. Option B, mother tongue uses. Option C, natural communication. Option D, translational exercises. The correct answer is natural communication. Question number 32. Which among the following is not a skill of language learning? Which among the following is not a skill of language learning? Option A, listening. Option B, reading. Option C, speaking. Option D, calculating. The correct answer is D, calculating. Question number 33. What is the purpose of picture composition activity? What is the purpose of a picture composition activity? Option A, building vocabulary. Option B, developing creative writing skill. Option C, improving speaking fluency. Option D, memorizing grammar rules. Correct answer is B, developing creative writing skill. Question number 34. The process of breaking a word into smaller meaningful unit is called. The process of breaking a word into smaller meaningful unit is called. Option A, morphology. Option B, phonology. Option C, syntax. Option D, semantics. The correct answer is morphology. Question number 35. Which is an essential component of a lesson plan? Which is an essential component of a lesson plan? Option A, lesson objective. Option B, teacher's background. Option C, students' attendance. Option D, evaluation format. The correct answer is lesson objective. Which is the essential component of a lesson plan? That is lesson objective. Question number 36. What is the place value of 7 in 4782? What is the place value of 7 in 4782? Option 1, 7. Option B, 70. Option C, 700. Option D, 7000. The correct answer is C, 700. Question number 37. Which of the following is an example of a prime number? Which of the following is an example of a prime number? Option A, 21. Option B, 33. Option C, 37. Option D, 51. The correct answer is 37. So 37 is a prime number. Question number 38. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 cm and width 4 cm? What is the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 8 cm and width of 4 cm? Option A, 12 cm. Option B, 16 cm. Option C, 24 cm. Option D, 32 cm. The correct answer is 24 cm. Question number 39. What is the value of 8 plus 4 into 3? 8 plus 4 divided by times 3. 8 plus 4 into 3. What is the value of 8 plus 4 into 3? 8 plus 4 divided by the times 3 into 8 plus 4 into 3. Option A 24, option B 36, option C 48, option D 60. The correct answer is 36. Question number 40. Which property of multiplication states A cross B is equal to B cross A? That is A times B is equal to B times A cross B is equal to B cross A. That is option A associative, option B commutative, option C distributive, option D identity. The correct answer is commutative. Question number 41. Which is the largest organ in human body? Which is the largest organ in human body? Option A liver, option B skin, option C brain, option D lungs. The correct answer is skin. Skin is the largest component in human body. Question number 42. Which of the following is not a part of water cycle? Which of the following is not a part of water cycle? Option A evaporation, option B condensation, option C precipitation, option D combustion. The correct answer is D combustion. Question number 43. Which of the following is a man-made resource? Which of the following is a man-made resource? Option A river, option B mountains, option C dams, option D forest. The correct answer is C dams. The man-made resource is dams. Question number 44. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Option A roots, option B stem, option C leaves, option D flowers. The correct answer is C leaves. Question number 45. What is the term for animals that eat both plant and animals? What is the term for animals that eat both plant and animals? Option A herbivores, option B carnivores, option C omnivores, option D scavengers. The correct answer is omnivores. Question number 46. Which planet is known as red planet? Which planet is known as red planet? Option A Mercury, option B Venus, option C Mars, option D Jupiter. The correct answer is C Mars. Question number 47. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option A 5, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. The correct answer is C 8. Question number 48. What is the primary objective of Panchayati Raj system? What is the primary objective of a Panchayati Raj system? Option A strengthening center authority, option B promoting rural self-governance, option C supporting industries, option D regulating markets. The correct answer is B promoting rural self-governance. Question number 49. Who wrote the Indian anthem of India? Who wrote the Indian national anthem of India? Who wrote the national anthem of India? Option A Ravindranath Tagore, option B Mahatma Gandhi, option C Bankim Chand Chatterjee, option D Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is Ravindranath Tagore. National anthem of India was written by Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. Question number 50. The concept of Satyagraha was introduced by. The concept of Satyagraha was introduced by option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Bhimrao Ambedkar, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Sardar Patel. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 51. What is the primary focus of Right to Education Act 2009? What is the primary focus of Right to Education Act 2009? Option A free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years. Option B skill based education for adults. Option C higher education reforms. Option D, professional teachers training. The correct answer is A, free and compulsory education for the children aged 6 to 14. Question number 52. Who is considered as the father of operant conditioning? Who is considered as the father of operant conditioning? Option A, Pavlov. Option B, Skinner. Option C, Thorndike. Option D, Bandura. The correct answer is Skinner. Question number 53. The term cognitive development refers to. The term cognitive development refers to. Option A, social development. Option B, physical development. Option C, intellectual development. Option D, emotional development. The correct answer is intellectual development. Question number 54. Which of the following is not a stage of Kohlberg's theory of moral development? Which of the following is not a stage of Kohlberg's theory of moral development? Option A, pre-conventional. Option B, post-conventional. Option C, semi-conventional. Option D, conventional. The correct answer is semi-conventional. Question number 55. The learning by observing and imitating others is called. The learning by observing and imitating others is called. Option A, classical conditioning. Option B, operant conditioning. Option C, social learning. Option D, cognitive mapping. The correct answer is social learning. Question number 56. What is the zone of proximal development? What is the zone of proximal development? ZPD. Option A, the difference between what a learner can do independently and with support. Option B, a method of punishment for learning. Option C, a stage of moral development. Option D, the emotional development of a learner. The correct answer is A, the difference between what a learner can do independently and with what support. Question number 57. Which type of assessment focus on continuous improvement of student? Which type of assessment focus on continuous improvement of students? Option A, diagnostic assessment. Option B, summative assessment. Option C, formative assessment. Option D, standardized assessment. The correct answer is C, formative assessment. Question number 58. The concept of tabula rasa was introduced by. The concept of tabula rasa was introduced by. Option A, James Paget. Option B, John Locke. Option C, Erik Erikson. Option D, B.F. Skinner. The correct answer is B, John Locke. Question number 59. Which learning theory focus on stimulus and response connection? Which learning theory focus on stimulus and response connection? Option A, behaviorism. Option B, constructivism. Option C, humanism. Option D, cognitive theory. The correct answer is B, behaviorism. Question number 60. Intrinsic motivation arises from. Intrinsic motivation arises from. Option A, external rewards. Option B, fear of failure. Option C, personal interest or satisfaction. Option D, punishment and avoidance. Punishment avoidance. The correct answer is C, personal interest or satisfaction. Intrinsic motivation arises from personal interest or satisfaction. Question number 61. What is the primary focus of whole language approach? What is the primary focus of whole language approach? Option A, memorization of rules. Option B, emphasis on phonics. Option C, integration of reading, writing and speaking. Option D, grammatical accuracy. The correct answer is C, integration of reading, writing and speaking. Question number 62. What does BICS stands for in language learning? What does BICS stands for in language learning? Option A, basic instructional communication skill. Option B, basic interpersonal communication skill. Option C, basic integrated cognitive skill. Option D, basic interpersonal communication skill. The correct answer is B, basic interpersonal communication skill. Question number 63. Which skill is tested in a closed test? Which skill is tested in a closed test? Option A, writing skill. Option B, speaking fluency. Option C, reading comprehension. Option D, listening ability. The correct answer is C, reading comprehension. Option C is correct. Question number 64. What is the purpose of pre-reading activities? What is the purpose of pre-reading activities? Option A, to evaluate reading speed. Option B, to activate private knowledge. Option C, to develop writing skill. Option D, to focus on grammar rules. The correct answer is B, to activate prior knowledge. Question number 65. In language teaching, a lexical item refers to. In language teaching, a lexical item refers to. Option A, grammatical rule. Option B, a word or phrase. Option C, a punctuation mark. Option D, a teaching aid. The correct answer is a word or phrase. Option B is correct. Question number 66. Which is the smallest two-digit prime number? Which is the smallest two-digit prime number? Option A, 11. Option B, 13. Option C, 17. Option D, 19. Option A is correct, that is 11 is the smallest two-digit prime number. Question number 67. What is the sum of angle of a triangle? What is the sum of angle of a triangle? Option A, 90 degree. Option B, 180 degree. Option C, 270 degree. Option D, 360 degree. The correct answer is B, 180 degree. Question number 68. What is the product of 7 into 8? It is repeated. What is the product of 7 into 8? That is option A, 54. Option B, 56. Option C, 58. Option D, 60. That is option B is correct. 7 into 8. It is repeated 3 times due to some errors. So hence it is only the question, what is the product of 7 into 8? That is 56. Question number 69. What is the LCM of 12 and 18? What is the LCM of 12 and 18? Option A, 36. Option B, 72. Option C, 24. Option D, 48. That is 36. Option A is correct. Question number 70. How many faces does a cube have? How many faces does a cube have? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 12. The correct answer is B, 6. Question number 71. What is the square of 15? What is the square of 15? Option A, 205. Option B, 215. Option C, 225. Option D, 235. The correct answer is 225. Question number 72. What is the value of 0.75 into 1000? It is again repeated due to some error. The value of 0.75 into 100. That is 7.75 into 1000. So it is A, 0.075. Option B, 7.5. Option C, 75. Option D, 750. The correct answer is 75. So it is the question only 0.75 into 1000. It is repeated 3 times. Question number 73. A rectangle has a length of 12 cm and width of 5 cm. What is its area? Area is length into breadth. That is 12 into 5. That is 60 cm square. The option C is correct. Question number 74. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth atmosphere? Which gas is the most abundant in Earth atmosphere? Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is nitrogen. Question number 75. What is the main cause of soil erosion? What is the main cause of soil erosion? Option A, deforestation. Option B, rainfall. Option C, afforestation. Option D, crop rotation. The correct answer is A, deforestation. Question number 76. Which vitamin is produced by human body when exposed to sunlight? Which vitamin is produced by the human body when exposed to sunlight? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. The correct answer is D, vitamin D. Question number 77. Which part of a plant absorbs water and minerals? Which part of a plant absorbs water and minerals? Option A, stem. Option B, leaves. Option C, flowers. Option D, roots. The correct answer is D, roots. Question number 78. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, oxygen. Option C, methane. Option D, argon. The correct answer is C, methane. Question number 79. Who was the first president of India? Who was the first president of India? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, B.R. Ambedkar. Option C, Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is C, Rajendra Prasad. Question number 80. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 81. Which is the largest continent in the world? Which is the largest continent in the world? Option A, Africa. Option B, Asia. Option C, Europe. Option D, Antarctica. The correct answer is Asia. Question number 82. What is the main source of revenue for Indian government? What is the main source of revenue for the Indian government? Option A, income tax. Option B, property tax. Option C, excise duty. Option D, sale tax. The correct answer is A, income tax. Question number 83. Which movement was associated with the Dandi March? Which movement was associated with the Dandi March? Option A, non-cooperation movement. Option B, quit India movement. Option C, civil disobedience movement. Option D, Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is C, civil disobedience movement. Question number 84. According to Gardner theory, a child with high bodily kinesthetic intelligence is likely to excel in. According to Gardner's theory, a child with high bodily kinesthetic intelligence is likely to excel in. Option A, mathematics. Option B, sports and physical activity. Option C, music. Option D, language skill. The correct answer is B, sports and physical activities. Option B is correct. Question number 85. Which of the following is not a characteristics of progressive education? Which of the following is not a characteristics of a progressive education? Option A, rote learning. Option B, child-centered approach. Option C, activity-based learning. Option D, development of critical thinking. The correct answer is A, rote learning. Question number 86. What does inclusive education aim to achieve? What does inclusive education aim to achieve? Option A, separate school for special needs children. Option B, integration of all learners in same classroom. Option C, individualized syllabus for every student. Option D, restricting learning for slow learners. The correct answer is B, integration of all learners in the same classroom. Question number 87. Which concept emphasizes that children learn by actively constructing their own knowledge? Which concept emphasizes that children learn by actively constructing their own knowledge? Option A, behaviorism. Option B, constructivism. Option C, conditioning. Option D, humanism. The correct answer is constructivism. The constructivism theory emphasizes that children learn by actively constructing their own knowledge. Question number 88. Uh, the idea the idea of learning by doing was propagated by the idea of learning by doing was propagated by option A Rousseau, option Rousseau, option B John Dewey, option C B.F. Skinner, option D Lev Vygotsky. The correct answer is John Dewey. The question number 89. The term schema in cognitive development was introduced by the term schema in cognitive development was introduced by option A Jane Piaget, option B Lev Vygotsky, option C Erik Erikson, option D Howard Gardner. The correct answer is Jane Piaget. Question number 90. Egocentrism is the most prominent in which stage of Piaget development theory? Egocentrism is the most prominent in which stage of the Piaget development theory? Option A sensory motor, option B pre-operational, option C concrete operational, option D formal operational. The correct answer is B pre-operational. Question number 91. What does the term critical period refers to in child development? What does the term critical period refers to in child development? Option A period of rapid growth in childhood. Option B a specific time frame for acquiring certain skills. Option C adolescence. Option D retirement age. The correct answer is B a specific time frame for acquiring certain skills. Question number 92. Which strategy is used in differentiated instructions? Which strategy is used in differentiated instructions? Option A same teaching method for all. Option B grouping a student based on their abilities. Option C ignoring the diversity of learners. Option D providing fewer activities for high achievers. The correct answer is B grouping students based on their abilities. Question number 93. The extrinsic motivation is driven by option A external reward or punishment, option B internal satisfaction, option C curiosity, option D intrinsic interest. The correct answer is A external reward or punishment. Question number 94. In language acquisition, a silent period refers to. In language acquisition, a silent period refers to option A time when learner stops learning, option B a phase of listening and absorbing a language without speaking, C a time before exams, option D a method to learn grammar rules. The correct answer is B a phase of listening and absorbing language without speaking. Question number 95. Which type of reading focus on finding specific information? Which type of reading focus on finding specific informations? Option A skimming, option B scanning, option C intensive reading, option D extensive reading. The correct answer is B scanning. Question number 96. The main goal of a teacher in a multilingual classroom is to. The main goal of a teacher in a multilingual classroom is to. Option A promote one language only. Option B integrate multiple language effectively. Option C ignore the child mother tongue. Option D use only the regional language. The correct answer is integrate multiple language effectively. Question number 97. Phoneme is the smallest unit of. Phoneme is the smallest unit of option A word, option B sound, option C grammar, option D sentence. The correct answer is sound. Question number 98. An activity where learner listens to a passage and then answer question in an example of An activity where learners listen to a passage and then answers question is an example of option A, writing skill development, option B, speaking skill development, option C is listening comprehension, option D, grammar practice. The correct answer is listening comprehension. Question number 99. Realia is a language teaching refers to Realia in language teaching refers to option A, real life object and material used in teaching aids, option B, grammar exercise, option C, lecture based teaching, option D, role playing activities. Option A is correct, real life object and materials used in teaching aid. Question number 100. What is the purpose of teaching a second language in school? What is the purpose of teaching a second language in school? Option A, enhance bilingual competency. Option B, promote cultural isolation. Option C, ignore mother tongue development. Option D, focus only on grammar accuracy. The correct answer is enhance bilingual competencies. Question number 101. Which is an odd number? Which is an odd number? Option A 14, option B 22, option C 31, option D 48. The correct answer is 31. Question number 102. The HCF of 24 and 36 is the HCF of 24 and 36 is option A 6, option B 8, option C 12, option D 24. The correct answer is 12. The HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Question number 103. A circle has a radius of 7 cm. What is its diameter? A circle has a radius of 7 cm. What is its diameter? Option A 7 cm, option B 14 cm, option C 21 cm, option D 28 cm. The correct answer is B 14 cm. Question number 104. What is the value of 3 it is a wrong question. It is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 की power 3. What is the value of 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3. It is wrongly written. It is repeated. It is only the 3 की power 3. That is 3 की power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27. So correct answer is C 27. Question number 105. If the sum of the two angles of a triangle is 120, what will be the third angle? If the sum of the two angles of a triangle is 120, what will be the third angle? The correct answer is option A 30, option B 45, option C 60, option D 90. The correct answer will, if the sum of the two angles of a triangle is 120, what will be the third angle? What is the total of third the angle? The three angles, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180. Hence, the two angles have 120 degree. It means third angle is also 60. So correct answer will be C. It is wrongly written. A is wrong answer, but it will be 60. So correct answer is C. Sorry for this answer. The correct answer will be C, because the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180, and if the sum of the two angle is 120, it means third angle will be 60. So option C is correct. Question number 106. Which layer of earth contains most water? Which layer of earth contains most water? Option A atmosphere, option B crust, option C mantle, option D core. The correct answer is B crust. Question number 107. The plant release oxygen during option A photosynthesis, option B respiration, option C transpiration, option D germination. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Option A is correct. Question 108. Which part of plant is called food factory? Which part of a plant is called food factory? Option A stem, option B roots, option C leaves, option D flower. The correct answer is C leaves. Question number 109. Which organ in human is responsible for filtering blood? Which organ in humans is responsible for filtering blood? Option A heart, option B liver, option C kidney, option D lungs. The correct answer is C kidney. Question number 110. The Taj Mahal is made up of option A red sandstone, option B white marble, option C granite, option D limestone. The correct answer is B white marble. Correct answer will be B. Question number 111. Which river is also known as Ganga of South? Which river is also known as Ganga of South? Option A Godavari, option B Krishna, option C Kaveri, option D Mahanadi. The correct answer is Kaveri. Question number 112. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate? Option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Punjab, option D Maharashtra. The correct answer is A Kerala. Question number 113. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Who founded the Arya Samaj? Option A Raja Ram Mohan Rai, option B Swami Vivekanand, option C Dayanand Saraswati, option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Question number 114. What is the main purpose of Constitution of India? What is the main purpose of the Constitution of India? Option A provide guidelines for governance, option B protect the right to citizens, option C establish laws, option D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. The main purpose of Constitution of India is all above, hence option D is correct. Question number 115. Which movement is associated with do or die? Which movement is associated with do or die? Option A non-cooperation movement, option B civil disobedience movement, option C quit India movement, option D Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is C quit India movement. Question number 116. Which method is most suitable for teaching children with learning disabilities? Which method is most suitable for teaching children with learning disabilities? Option A lecture method, option B experiential learning, option C memorization, option D dictation. The correct answer is experiential learning. Question number 117. In Kohlberg's theory of moral development, post-convictional stage focus on. In Kohlberg's theory of moral development, post-convictional stage focus on. Option A social norms, option B individual principle of injustice, option C punishment and obedience, option D authority and rules. The correct answer is individual principles of justice. Question number 118. According to Vygotsky, a role of a teacher is to. According to Vygotsky, the role of a teacher is to. Option A acts as an observer, option B provides scaffolding to learners, option C use reinforcement method, option D promote rote learning. The correct answer is provide scaffolding to learners. Question number 119. Which of the following is an example of formative assessment? Which of the following is an example of formative assessment? Option A end of term exam, option B monthly test, option C daily class observation and feedback, option D national standardized exam. The correct answer is daily class observation and feedback. Question number 120. What does the term peer tutoring refers to? What does the term peer tutoring refers to? Option A learning with the help of parent, option B learning with the help of classmate, option C peer teachers directed learning, option D individual learning through books. The correct answer is learning with the help of classmate. Question number 121. The idea of children are like clay to be molded aligns with. The idea that children are like clay to be molded aligns with option A behaviorism, option B constructivism, option C humanism, option D cognitive learning theory. The correct answer is behaviorism. Question number 122. The principle of readiness was introduced by option A Skinner, option D B Thorndike, option C Brunner, option D Piaget. The correct answer is Thorndike. Given the principle of readiness. Question number 123. Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Which of the following is an example of intrinsic motivation? Option A studying to get good grade. Option B learning because of love for the subject. Option C reading for a prize competition. Option D attending school to avoid punishment. The correct answer is B learning because of love for a subject. Question number 124. Which one of the following is an effective strategy to support a student with ADHD? Which one of the following is an effective strategy to support students with ADHD? Option A ignoring their behavior. Option B using punishment to control them. Option C giving short structured tasks. Option D encouraging them to work for a long period. The correct answer is C giving short structured tasks. Question number 125. What does active learning emphasize? What does active learning emphasize? Option A teachers driven lectures. Option B passive listening by student. Option C participation and engagement by student. Option D memorization of fact. The correct answer is participation and engagement by students. Question number 126. The term scaffolding in language teaching refers to. The term scaffolding in language teaching refers to. Option A building sentence structure. Option B support provided by teachers during learning. C memorizing grammar rules. Option D writing essay in structured format. Option B is correct, support provided by the teachers during learning. Question number 127. Which is the best way to develop vocabulary in primary classroom? Which is the best way to develop vocabulary in primary classroom? Option A providing long list of words. Option B using words in context. Option C asking students to memorize dictionaries. Option D dictating words. The correct answer is using words in the context. Question number 128. Reading aloud helps learners to develop. Reading aloud helps learners to develop. Option A writing skill. Option B listening comprehension. Option C phonemic awareness. Option D creative writing. Option C is correct, phonemic awareness. Question number 129. What does the mother tongue based multilingualism education emphasize? What does mother tongue based multilingual education emphasize? Multilingual education emphasize. Option A using the mother tongue as only medium of instruction. B ignoring the mother tongue and focusing on English. C gradual transition from mother tongue to additional language. Option D teaching only regional language. The correct answer is gradual transition from mother tongue to additional language. Question number 130. The use of role play in the language classroom develop. The use of role play in language classroom develop. Option A grammar skill. Option B fluency and communication skill. Option C writing accuracy. Option D vocabulary memorization. The correct answer is fluency and communication skill. Question number 131. What is the primary focus of a process based approach in writing? What is the primary focus of a process based approach to writing? Option A correct grammar. Option B emphasis on content and revision. Option C perfect handwriting. Option D lengthy essay. The correct answer is emphasis on content and revision. Question number 132. A suffix is option A word attached to at the end of another word. Option B a word attached at the beginning of another word. Option C a punctuation mark. Option D a part of speech. The correct answer is a word attached at the end of another word. A suffix is a word attached at the end of other word. Question number 133. Which activity promotes listening skill in students? Which activity promotes listening skill in student? Option A solving grammar worksheet. Option B watching a video and summarizing it. Option C writing paragraph. Option D learning spelling. Option B is correct, watching a video and summarizing it. Question number 134. Which strategy best supports reading comprehension in young learners? Which strategy best supports reading comprehension in young learners? Option A is speaking difficult parts of the text. Option B is asking question about the text. Option C only reading aloud. Option D memorizing the content. The correct answer is asking question about the text. Question number 135. What does the term code switching mean in multilingual education? What does the term code switching mean in multilingual education? Option A learning programming language. Option B mixing two languages while speaking. Option C switching teachers during lesson. Option D changing textbook frequently. The correct answer is mixing two languages while speaking. Question number 136. What is the cube of 3? What is the cube of 3? Option A 9, option B 27, option C 18, option D 36. The correct answer is 27. Question number 137. What is the parameter of a square of side length 5 cm? What is the parameter of a square with side length 5 cm? Option A 15, option B 20 cm, option C 25 cm, option D 30 cm. The correct answer is 20 cm. Question number 138. The decimal form of 34 divided by fraction 3. The decimal form of a 34. Sorry, this question is repeated again. It is wrongly written. Please cancel it. Question number 139. The product of 12 and 11 is option A 121, option B 122, option C 132, option D 142. The correct answer is 132. Question number 140. What is the smallest even prime number? What is the smallest even prime number? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 6. The correct answer is B 2. Question number 141. Which animal is known as sheep of a desert? Which animal is known as the sheep of a desert? Option A elephant, option B camel, option C horse, option D yak. The correct answer is B camel. Question number 142. Which planet is known as red planet? Which planet is known as red planet? Option A Venus, option B Mars, option C Jupiter, option D Saturn. The correct answer is B Mars. Question number 143. The largest part of a human brain is option A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C medulla, option D pons. The correct answer is cerebrum. So cerebrum is the largest part of human brain. Question number 144. The water cycle does not involve which of the following? The water cycle does not involve which of the following? Option A evaporation, option B condensation, option C photosynthesis, option D precipitation. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Water cycle involves all except photosynthesis. Question number 145. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Solar energy. Option B, wind energy. Option C, coal. Option D, water. The correct answer is C, coal. Question number 146. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is C, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 147. The Battle of Plassey was fought in year. The Battle of Plassey was fought in the year. Option A, 747. Option B, 757. Option C, 764. 1764. Option D, 1772. That is 1747, 1757, 1767, 64 and 1772. The correct answer is 1757. Option B is correct. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757. Question number 148. Which of the southernmost point of India? Which is the southernmost point of India? Option A, Kanyakumari. Option B, Indira Point. Option C, Rameshwaram. Option D, Nicobar Island. The correct answer is Indira Point. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Question number 149. Who was the founder of Maurya Empire? Who was the founder of Maurya Empire? Option A, Asoka. Option B, Chandragupta Maurya. Option C, Bindusara. Option D, Harshvardhan. The correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 150. The first Governor General of India was Vaughan Hastings. Option B, Lord Curzon. Option C, Lord Dalhousie. Option D, Lord Mountbatten. The correct answer was Warren Hastings. The first Governor General of India was Warren Hastings. Question number 151. Which of the following is a characteristics of a gifted child? Which of the following is a characteristic of a gifted child? Option A, low academic performance. Option B, high creativity and problem solving ability. Option C, preference of a repetitive task. Option D, difficulty in understanding abstract concept. The correct answer is high creativity and problem solving ability. Option B is correct. Question number 152. What is the primary focus of a classroom management? What is the primary focus of a classroom management? Option A, discipline only. Option B, ensuring effective teaching and learning. Option C, punishing misbehaving student. Option D, maintaining silence in the class. The correct answer is ensuring effective teaching and learning. Option B is correct. Question number 152. What is the primary focus of a classroom management? What is the primary focus of a classroom management? Option A, discipline only. Option B, ensuring effective teaching and learning. Option B, C, punishment misbehaving students. Question number D, maintaining silence in the class. The correct answer is ensuring effective teaching and learning. Question number 153. Erickson theory focus on option A, emotional development. Option B, psychosocial development. Option C, cognitive development. Option D, moral development. The correct answer is psychosocial development. Option B is correct. Question number 154. According to Skinner, learning is a result of option A, operational learning, observational learning. Option B, trial and error. Option C, reinforcement and punishment. Option D, imitation. The correct answer is reinforcement and punishment. According to Skinner, learning is the result of reinforcement and punishment. Question number 155. Which teaching strategy is most suitable for promoting critical thinking? Which teaching strategy is most suitable for promoting critical thinking? Option A, rote memorization. Option B, group discussion. Option C, lectures. Option D, dictation. The correct answer is B, group discussion. Question number 156. What is the main characteristics of a child in concrete operational stage? What is the main characteristics of a child in concrete operational stage? Option A, abstract thinking. Option B, egocentrism. Option C, logical reasoning with concrete object. Option D, language acquisition. The correct answer is logical reasoning with concrete object. Question number 157. Assessment for learning emphasizes. The assessment for learning emphasizes option A, grading student. Option B, diagnosing learning gap to improve learning. Option C, comparing students' performance. Option D, conducting exam only. The correct answer is diagnosing learning gaps for improving learning. Question 158. What does scaffolding mean in Vygotsky theory? What does scaffolding mean in Vygotsky theory? Option A, helping student only when asked. Option B, gradual removal of support as learner gains independence. Option C, punishment for incorrect answers. Option D, encouraging competition among students. The correct answer is B, gradual removal of support as learner gain independence. Question number 159. The children with dyslexia face difficulty in. The children with dyslexia face difficulty in. Option A, reading and writing. Option B, speaking. Option C, listening. Option D, gross motor skill. The correct answer is reading and writing. Question number 160. The principle of child-centered education was emphasized by. The principle of child-centered education was emphasized by. Option A, Maria Montessori. Option B, B.F. Skinner. Option C, Edward Thorndike. Option D, Ivan Pavlov. The correct answer is Maria Montessori. Question number 161. What is the antonym of the word happy? What is the antonym of word happy? Option A, joyful. Option B, sad. Option C, cheerful. Option C, D, excited. The correct answer is sad. Question number 162. The term phonetics refers to. The term phonetics refers to. Option A, grammar rules. Option B, sentence structure. Option C, sounds of a language. Option D, writing styles. The correct answer is sounds of a language. Question number 163. Intonation in spoken language refers to. Intonation in spoken language refers to. Option A, word stress. Option B, sentence structure. Option C, rise and fall of voice. Option D, vocabulary building. The correct answer is rise and fall of a voice. Question number 164. Which of these is an example of a open-ended question? Which of these is an example of an open-ended question? Option A, what is your name? Option B, do you like reading books? Option C, how can we protect environment? Option D, is it raining today? The correct answer is how can we protect environment? Question number 165. Which method is most suitable for teaching grammar in context? Which method is most suitable for teaching grammar in context? Option A, lecture method. Option B, situational approach. Option D, C, dictation method. Option D, translational method. The correct answer is situational approach. Question number 166. A dictionary helps learner to improve. A dictionary helps learner to improve. Option A, writing skills. Option B, vocabulary. Option C, sentence structure. Option D, handwriting. The correct answer is vocabulary. Question number 167. Homophones are words that option A, have same spelling but different meaning. Option B, sound the same but have different meaning. Option C, have opposite meaning. Option D, are synonyms. The correct answer is sounds the same but have different meaning. 168. Reading for pleasure is also known as option A intensive reading, option B extensive reading, option C scanning, option D proofreading. And the correct answer is extensive reading. Question number 169. Which of the following helps in developing speaking skill? Which of the following helps in developing speaking skill? Option A silent reading, option B group discussion, option C solving puzzles, option D writing essays. The correct answer is group discussions. Question number 170. The term syntax refers to option A rules of sentence formation, option B word meaning, option C sound patterns, option D punctuation marks. The correct answer is A rules of sentence formation. Question number 171. What is the square of 12? Square of 12 is 144. The option B is correct. Question number 172. Is the cost of one pen is rupees 5? What is the cost of 12 pen? If the cost of one pen is rupees 5, what is the cost of 12 pen? So 12 into 5 is 60. Answer is C. Question number, the total will be 12 into 5, that is 60. Option C is correct. Question number 173. What is the 15% of 200? What is the 15% of 200? 15% of 200 is 30. Option B is correct. Question number 174. How many sides does a pentagon have? How many sides does a pentagon have? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, option D 7. The correct answer is 5. Question number 175. Which of the following is divisible by 9? Which of the following is divisible by 9? Option A 81, option B 82, option C 83, option D 84. The correct answer is 81. Question number 176. The largest gland in the human body is option A liver, option B kidney, option C pancreas, option D thyroid. The correct answer is A liver. Question number 177. Which vitamin is produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? Which vitamin is produced in the skin when exposed to sunlight? Option A vitamin A, option B vitamin C, option D vitamin D, option D vitamin K. The correct answer is C vitamin D. 178. What is the main source of energy for life on earth? What is the main source of energy for life on earth? Option A wind, option B water, option C sun, option D soil. The correct answer is sun. Question number 179. The process by which plant makes their food is called. The process by which plants makes food is called. Option A respiration, option B photosynthesis, option C digestion, option D evaporation. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Question number 180. Which of the following is biodegradable? Which of the following is biodegradable? Option A plastic, option B glass, option C paper, option D metal. The correct answer is paper. Question number 181. Who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Who is called the father of Indian Constitution? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B B.R. Ambedkar, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Sardar Patel. The correct answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 182. Which is the oldest Veda? Which is the oldest Veda? Option A Samveda, option B Rigved, option C Yajurved, option D Earthved. The correct answer is Rigved. Question number 183. The revolt of 1857 begins in which city? The revolt of 1857 begins in which city? Option A Meerut, option B Delhi, option C Kanpur, option D Lucknow. The correct answer is Meerut. Question number 184. Who was the first woman to become governor of Indian state? Who was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state? Option A Sarojini Naidu, option B Indira Gandhi, option C Annie Besant, option D Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Option 185. Which Indian state is known as Land of Five Rivers? Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? Option A Punjab, option B Haryana, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D Bihar. The correct answer is A Punjab. Question number 186. Which learning style is best suited for a kinesthetic learner? Which learning style is best suited for a kinesthetic learner? Option A listening by two audio lectures, option B reading textbook, option C hands-on activity and experiment, option D watching videos. The correct answer is hands-on activities and experiments. Question number 187. According to Piaget, children in the pre-operational stage are characterized by. According to Piaget, the children in pre-operational stage are characterized by option A logical reasoning, option B egocentrism and symbolic thinking, option C hypothetical thinking, option D abstract reasoning. The correct answer is egocentrism and symbolic thinking. Question number 188. Which factor is most influential in the child's emotional development? Which factor is most influential in a child's emotional development? Option A peer group, option B family environment, option C physical health, option D academic performance. The correct answer is family environment. Option B is correct. Question number 189. The Right to Education Act in India ensures free and compulsory education for children aged. The Right to Education Act in India ensures free and compulsory education for children aged. Option A 4 to 10 years, option B 6 to 14 years, option C 5 to 12 years, option D 7 to 15 years. The correct answer is B 6 to 14 years. Question number 190. The term inclusive education emphasizes. The term inclusive education emphasizes option A teaching in a single language, option B including students with diverse needs in the same classroom, option C specialized schools for children with disabilities, option D providing online education. The correct answer is B including students with diverse need in the same classroom. The option B is correct. Question number 191. Which of the following is best develop creative writing skill? Which of the following best develops creative writing skill? Option A memorizing essays, option B writing poetry or stories, option B C reading grammar rules, option D practicing dictation. The correct answer is writing poetry or stories. Writing poetry or stories develop creative writing skill. Question number 192. What is the role of a picture book in early language learning? What is the role of a picture book in early language learning? Option A to teach grammar rules, option B to enhance vocabulary and comprehension, option C to assess writing skill, option D to practice handwriting. The correct answer is to enhance vocabulary and comprehension. Question number 193. What does the term bilingualism mean? What does the term bilingualism mean? Option A learning two languages simultaneously, option B mixing two languages in a sentence, option C forgetting the mother tongue, option D learning only one language. The correct answer is learning two languages simultaneously. Bilingualism means learning two languages simultaneously. Question number 195. What is the value of 20 into 25? What is the value of 25 into 25? It is repeated 3 times. So it is only 25 into 25. So 25 into 25 is 625. Option B is correct. Question number 196. What is the least common multiple LCM of 4 and 6? What is the least common multiple of LCM of 4 and 6. It is option A 8, option B 12, option C 24, option D 36. The correct answer is 12. So question number 197. A triangle with all three sides of equal length is called. A triangle with all three sides of equal length is called. Option A isosceles triangle, option B equilateral triangle, option C scalene triangle, option D right angle triangle. The correct answer is B equilateral triangle. Question number 198. Which organ in the human body purifies blood? Which organ in human body purifies blood? Option A lungs, option B kidney, option C heart, option D liver. The correct answer is B kidney. The which organ in human body purifies blood? Option B is kidney. Question number 199. The deforestation primarily leads to option A increased rainfall, option B soil erosion and loss of biodiversity, option C better air quality, option C D climate stability. The correct answer is soil erosion and loss of biodiversity. Question number 200. Who was the first president of India? Option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option C Sardar Patel, option D Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 201. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. The correct answer is 9. These are 201 MCQ for CTET examination. In case of any doubt in any question or answer, please verify from textbook. I have discussed 200 important MCQ for CTET examinations. I will also discuss other questions in other videos. Please share this video to all those who are preparing for CTET examination. These questions are important questions. You may solve other questions based upon these questions. Please go through the whole video several times to repeat these questions so that you may practice these questions and you may answer other questions. These are very important questions. Please go through the video and please share and subscribe my channel. Please share and subscribe my channel to all those who are preparing for these. In case of any doubt, you please comment in the comment box. You please like and share my videos. You may get more videos on my channel also. Please go through all the videos and share this video to other students also. Thank you.